Okay. Yeah, please do. All right, so my background is Basil cardstock. And that sun pattern is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans Truly Grateful number 13. And these are some cranes that started visiting our yard every day. Gosh, my stomach's getting nauseous again. Ooh. Alright, so the blue star pattern is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans Truly Grateful number 13. Oh, I must have made a boo-boo. I don't think both of those. Oh, maybe this one's 13 and one's 3. The yellow pattern is Bella Boulevard Home Sweet Home Mosaic Tile. And then I have a pink grid pattern, which is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans Truly Grateful number 6. And a black pattern, which is Crepe Paper's Maggie Holmes. Must be Heritage. It's that black star and heart patterns, I think. And I apologize, Patton, again. I'm trying to move him over. Don't you be mean, Patton, because you came up there to her. Ginger, if you went to pat it at him, slapped him, he went to slapped you back. Alright, so now I'm going to work on some of my die cuts. So here I use the frames, and those are Pretty Little Studio Indian Summer, and then all the other die cuts are Pink Paisley's Truly Grateful, and it looks like I used the puffy stickers, but I didn't write it down. But the puffy stickers are right there, are American Crafts Truly Grateful stickers. Go get dressed. And now I'm going to do my title. Man, I got super nauseous. What? It cost you. Almost anything. Yeah. Just go pick out a shirt and I'll tell you if it matches. Wow. That better not have cost that much to fix that window. Holy cow. Just what we need. He stays at his cousin at the apartment complex, and 6 cars got broken into, and lovely that was his was one of them. So it's like nice. Okay, so what a day is American Craft's main squeeze stickers, while Crane-tastic is Pink Fresh Studio office hours. I apologize for Patton. He's sometimes can be a pain, bigger pain than Ginger. Nice. Alright, so once I get my title down, that is pretty much going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.